grubby from the trip down from Marvin Bay.
Free to enter.
Can't hurt, I guess.
Yeah, I'll just get you to head over with these guys and then just shut your bike off.
Going to because it's all grubby.
Just when you get down there, wait with your bikes until your details are taken down, please.
Too easy, mate. Fucking hell. I wasn't going to worry because it's all grubby from the trip.
It's what?
I wasn't going to worry because it's a bit grubby from the trip. And he's like, no, put it in.
There you
There you going, Kai?
What's up?
Yeah, getting there.
Getting there?